see what's going on, man. You pan it.
Yeah.
One easy, boss.
No squeezing.
Easy. One Cajun, guys. GG and Baby Blessing there for the site. 1,000 guys. School. Work start. One load drop already, so you know, see there. That is it, my bro. Eh? Boy, look like it. Look like it, don't it? Yeah, yeah, no only person, no serious. It just got a 2 time. Almost look like wash sun. I forgot, so we have decent board out there. So you me I say we have to go mix up with this. So. We have board out there. So. Butterfly. Butterfly gone. Mr. Natty, how are you doing today, sir?
Morning, sir.
Yes.
How are you doing, sir? Put it right here, sir, man.
Okay, I'm okay.
Yeah, man. Morning,
okay.
sir.
Yes, man.
Sir. How are you doing?
Good, good, good. Pleasant.
Tea already, sir?
Yes, man.
Your
Yes,
belt?
man. Me not even need to do all that,
belt?
man. Me just know, say,
Your belt?
after the idea.
For your belt, you digest them.
All right. That is it, man. As long as in belt. Yeah. Yeah. As long as your belts, bro. Hello. Yeah, guys, you can hear it. Yeah, man, guys, so I go on there. Cement Cajun come final, man. I reckon that one there. Alright, bro. You see, say, boss yesterday, you know, but. You say 2 years carry? Yeah. Alright, boss. That is it, you know. So we will pack up there, you know. I need whole heap more that I just want to drop in my bucket. Literally. Yes or no, sir? Okay. Yes, Cajun.
Yeah. That's
Easy. Oh, you want one jump out of me, boy? You want something huge to keep your water?
Yeah.
Alright, I soon source that for you. No, yes, sir. Remember, so we have the unlimited. The Father God, yeah, alright. So one Father God now, man. Yes, sir. Alright. So I go on. This is how you gotta mix it when you run the block them. Yeah, man, it can't too wet and runny. Cajun know him do, guys. Veteran night thing, you know. That is it, man. Mix it out now, nice and doughy. Like when you make a dough. Yeah, man. Go for your one jump for him to, I don't know. Make sure say the bath have water. Nah, if you go far, forget the water, see there? All the fish come back in there already. That is it, man. That is it. Yeah.
Yeah. One neat block there to see him, yeah.
That is it. Bro, so my record put in the first block, you know? That is it, man. Because this is how we start from, you know, one step at a time. Mm-hmm. So you want to catch yourself and put in the first block.
One room I done first with bathroom.
Bank kitchen.
That is it, man.
The baby breast in a bank cool out.
Ton big man, you know, he look big, you know. Him big,
Baby
boy.
breast in loving nipple buckle pieces.
Yeah.
Loving drinking.
Eating a him favorite thing.
Like Tarzan, he could have said Tarzan and him brother.
I will tell you.
Because Tarzan, he would drink 2 juice at school and water, drink coming one
And
wine
more.
and juice.
See him here.
A 2 dumpling Tarzan ate last night.
Yeah, man, guys, see there? Up in here, you know, I'm bending to angle. You're tall still. I will spray them all up a green something up on the back there, man. And write up Nick Vlogs for the people in black.
That's it. Signature, man.
Spinning around.
Bam.
First one, guys. Eh! He just touched the ground. I think a SpaceX project. It was SpaceX. That is it, man, guys.
Implementing on this might take up back.
Mm-hmm.
All of them sitting there. Alright.
Catch your measure, your
Yeah,
level, man.
yeah.
You know what I go on.
No, me I teach people, me I teach them how to go.
No, me that tell them before, so that's why.
Yeah.
You know?
Oh, you can go and explain to them.
Yeah,
so
man.
Alright, this.
That is it, man.
Alright. Check what I go on now. More come in closer now, because it's a maroon. I just one pound put it down.
Yeah.
I just want to show you what I go on.
One go.
Alright. See my ground level here.
Mm-hmm.
See my level here. Alright, look on it. You dead pan the level though. You see level?
Yes, man.
Alright then. Check your black down the ground there.
One go.
That one go, man.
One go. Cool,
Like
man.
maroon though.
Yeah, cool, man. One go.
First one. You might take up back still, but
Yeah,
don't
but
worry there.
yeah, it's a good put on.
It's a good for them.
That is it, man. So I go on, guys, and the man them out there, so I go and mix up material. Sunday I so can't done yet. Yeah. Okay.
Anyway me go me fling bam.
Maddest life.
It's a hard material, yes, you know. Easy, boss. You can't get some to put it on.
Oh, you want a piece of zinc or board or... Yes, guys. Black I run. Nah, turn up. What can run but don't have legs? Black brother. Yeah, but water no run. Glide.
Your father.
That is it, man. There is a look like, you know. Yes, man. Black soon start go up in here, you know, so it's straight down there. Want to line him have a work with him, can't go miss. Yeah, man, guys, I'm come pick up a few stuff in here. I don't know. Fall coop finished. Like I need something to feed the fall them, you understand, so there in the hardware. I have some reasonable things, guys. I like them things, so I'll grab two of them just to show you. So I'll go on. So what size is this, my boss? What size is this again? How much? What is gallon? Gallon and it buy? 2 gallons, it's like about 2 gallons. Buy the water and feeding. So big the feeding one is. I buy one for now, guys. I don't know. No, what? You don't have the smaller one?
No,
then, like the baby chicken, the baby one. Then.
No, them finished. But them soon get in.
Until you see me, I don't have it, just tell me. I want 2 of them see me.
Alright.
That's me. I'll grab them 2 again. You know? That is it, man. Nice place, guys. Have a lot of stuff, man. Down in Natabia, you know. Yes. Get some more lard, you know. I treated one there.
I treated one?
Yeah.
Eh?
I don't know the paper. Give me, is that? Give me.
You must have charged this, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, the police are not playing no deal.
Yeah, guys, we are cleaning out the fall cupboard now if we come accept the fold them. And Gigi are going to sweep off the floor. Teamwork, man, the dream work. That is it, man. Same time we have the newspaper on the side of the side, guys. Nah, itch. You have to put the newspaper on the ground so it's easier to clean when you clean it, you know. That's the purpose of the newspaper. See how my client see Gigi do it. Look like a one. So we are shove it and I scrape it up now, it's easy, you know. Use it for the bottom. That is it. Man, guys, so them themselves we grudge it out and scatter it out, so you can help them a little bit too, but nice big space for them, guys, you know. So now we're gonna go for them, guys, you see me? So stay tuned and watch what go on. Yeah, guys, so down here, I'm gonna get bigger now. Yeah. I'm gonna run wider now.
Music over it.
No, the music.
You can put music over it. Yeah, tag one peeps.
That is it.
Bigger than this, we are looking at
yeah, that level of
California inside. They don't get them all no money. California inside. Uncle. Uncle. Uncle, come here.
Guys, black earlier today. Rainfall at night and the eagle we are easy, so we have to use up it before. You know, Father God have mercy power. That's why we have to give him thanks and praise. We always use street guys. The same time we black them up machine and come up nearer for the workman can get the field here. One M-Tam point of view, guys, wanna check out in channel. Me I go share in channel, so no run go subscribe to it.
Yeah, please.
Black car take out near. Baby blessing what into you. Yes, 200 per buckle. Yes, 200 per buckle, guys. Love it drinking. I said, guys, he was looking at phone and he love phone too. Maybe I'm going to take some cool breeze and I watch our black and here. We're soon gone, Yeah, you know, his sun not set yet. So you just want to stay tuned now what we are going. Yeah, guys, and I'm coming with the Bravo. So two of my sons are buying for the soda and the proper black packet it and go full up. Yeah. So you just want to stay tuned now watch. Learn, but you have to try. Yeah, I want to catch that, guys, like on natty or teaching. So you can be one, we call it one foreman, one night time. Something you have to learn to become big. You have to learn to come and you soon come perfect. Yeah, because by you do it and do it, you must sketch it. One sketch and yeah. Yeah, this are fully black potato people. Yeah man guys, and just come with the people then lunch, you know. Work man then lunch.
Man, them good, man,
Yeah.
looking good so far.
Yeah, look good. I fourth stage this year now, fourth stage black agoli here now guys. You can see cement up on the top. Yeah man guys, the cement go back for chop and the gravel and the sand because this is how I mix up by black coal, them go full up. So no just one stage now what we are going. Them go bust them and now one spread you by gravel and the sand.
Yeah man guys, so some fold them you know. Give them water already, so them drink half couple. Well, I've been drinking because I drink hard. Yeah guys, so out of the 40 fold, so about what, 20 or so left. A lot of them died because obviously we never get to like take care and do them one. But we're grateful same way. You don't know, it's just the beginning. This is the beginning. It's the mass circle up because them know are feeding. I go in there, so see feeding and I'm going to buy a couple bags tomorrow. I'm gonna eat hard. So that is it, guys. I'm gonna feed them now. You can set the phone here and I can say, come on. Guys, I'm feed them now. They're on a new home and a fight already. You guys, this is going to take a lot, but at least the good thing about it, yo, you want to come and start. Anyway, guys, let's see Paul come introduce himself. The good thing about this, guys, that he must last for a long time. See how much it was. You can feed them every day and you pull this. So I feed them every other day. I pull it every other day. Right? See it there? Other boiler empty. Need 2 more bags. Tomorrow I'm going to fix them up good, man, guys. Tomorrow I'm going to go to the farm store. Get them 2 bags of feeding, get them panic and all and something there. In my future, which is the near future, this I got hang up. Because I said, mate, I'm gonna get like a, I don't know, a piece of wire or something and hook it so them can look a bit off of the ground. So them can flip it over or anything, you know? Same thing with the water. Yeah, man, guys. They are loving their new home, guys. Yeah, man. Right there. Them when are probably not hungry. Well, relax, I relax. Do you have no serve now? That is it, man. Yeah. So might in the future I get 1 more of them there, 1 more of them there, and then 2 for the baby chicken them went on the nursery bill. Nursery I got right here, so now I have to set it up. Both waist height, so to make it when I clean it easy. Man, guys, so that is it, man. And I spread out a lie down. You guys. Yeah, man, guys, so see me put on the top all in them. Put water in the buckle them and make sure say them tie down so just in case every breeze and you know them no fly gone hitch up and I see and wet up for all them. So then they eat and oh, so camera now focus in there. Look on them from a distance. Yeah, man. Soon as possible, I'll fix it so. Because I just want some more cement and thing. But through the time that I run out probably guys, you know, just do what we can do. And see it there? They're in there. I must have look on them. So come on, I'm going to spend the first night out there with them. All of them wire they want to see, I go fix up. I just, you know, just hurry up and do something. Because I need the light. I don't know if I have the light. Yeah, man, guys, I'm just showing you my process. Yeah, man, the road to success. Nice size coob, you know. At first, that bit never looks so big, but right now, at 20 at 4 night, and look, last. It looks like it can hold at least 100. Yeah, and I'm still have space. But who knows? By time goes by, everything will go good. Maybe over the next side, we just put up something and start raise some layer. And then I have egg. You know, the sky's the limit, guys. I don't know Nick vlogs already. Always depend on it. That is it, man. Until then, that is it.